Hi everyone, welcome back. I am Ericka Champion Wise, an elite independent consultant with Paparazzi Accessories, and I am so excited to tell you Happy New Year! Happy 2019! I'm so excited. 2018 was my best year ever, and 2019 is gonna top that and double that, and we're just gonna go crazy in 2019. I'm so excited. So I wanted to do this video on New Year's Day to let you know some changes I'm going to make to this channel in 2019. I've had it since probably 2016, maybe 2015. I have no idea how long I've had this channel. This is pertinent information. I should know this kind of stuff. And it's been great. It's been a lot of fun. It started as a way to duplicate myself and my training for my team so that my training and answers were always available for them even when I wasn't. And then it has grown into this amazing paparazzi community, and I love it, where it helps so many people, and it's beyond exciting for me to get your comments, to get your messages, to get your emails. It is just awesome. So don't stop that. But I've decided I want to change some things up and be more rounded Ericka, because I don't just do paparazzi. Surprise! I do so many other things. I into so many different things, and I want this to be more of truly who I am. And yes, I am still a teacher. Yes, I'm still going to train on paparazzi. This is my training idea list for 2019. It takes up a page and a half. Okay, I got so many training ideas coming. I'm just excited about new videos to come, but I wanted to add some spice, because what's a good dish without some spice? And so I wanted to pull in more of who I am. So I'm gonna do some new and different videos, some more getting to know me, some more vulnerability of where my struggles have been and where my growth opportunities were, and more of my journey through paparazzi, and letting you in on some of that, because I don't really talk about all that much. And if you didn't know, it took me 4 years and 4 months to hit elite. So I've been through some stuff. So we're going to talk about that. I want to have some more real life conversations. I'm going to go sit in the conversation chair over on that side of the office, because it's a totally different background here, and have some more real talk with you. Some more like butt kick friend kind of stuff, because I think we need some of that. And I want to do some more life updates and give you a real insight into the life of an elite paparazzi consultant, and some of the things that we get to do, but also the standard to which we are held. We are held to a different standard than most consultants, and I love it. I love it. I wouldn't trade it for the world. So we'll do some of that. I want to do a weekly Bible study. These are all dreams. These may not coalesce, but these are all dreams that I have in my head. I'd love to do a weekly Bible study, because that's a very important part of my life. I even want to do some product reviews, guys. Like, I have some products that I love. I have some makeup products that I love, and some hair products that I love, and I don't know if I want to go in that direction or not, but it's on the list. You never know what's going to happen. I may do some unboxings, because I get influencer and one of those monthly subscriptions. Lord help me, I don't remember what it's called right now, but I get some of those monthly boxes and that kind of stuff, so it'll be fun. Maybe we'll do some of that. I don't know. We're gonna talk about this. I also want to do weekly live Q&As here, because this is all about paparazzi, and I want to give especially younger, newer consultants an opportunity to have their questions heard, because I understand that your upline you may not have that space to learn, and I'm awesome at that. This is what I do. It's what I love to do. I even have some new series that I am building, new consultant FAQs, elite interviews. I want to get back to those, some quick tips, problem solving, and response to your comments. So those, keep the comments coming. And I may even talk about weight loss and fitness, because that is a part of what I do, and it all rolls in together into mindset, manifestation, and motivation. Because at the end of the day, yes, I am a paparazzi consultant, and I love it, and I'm not going anywhere. Not going anywhere. Don't hear that. But I am a well-rounded individual, and I think we all need to be reminded that Yes, we love paparazzi, but it is a part of us. It is a part of us. And my calling, my life's calling from God Himself, is to inspire and empower women to believe that they can do anything. Anything. And the skills from one area of life transfer seamlessly into the other. And I love it. I love it. So, as we go into the new year, I hope you'll stick around and be surprised at whatever comes out, because it's going to be different every week. It's going to be different every week. It's going to be fun. It's going to be a learning curve. Some things we'll try and some things I'll hate. And some things you may suggest and I'll be like, oh my gosh, I should have thought of that myself. And I'll take them and run with them. So, it's going to be an adventure. 2019 is going to just be an adventure. I'm still picking my word of the year, and adventure is on the list. Adventure is absolutely on the list. So I don't know what's going to come out of 2019, but we're going to have a good time doing it. So, yay! Happy New Year!